Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. And we are back today shopping at Aldi, checking out all the new arrivals for this week, and starting with the umbrellas. And these are actually really nice. I actually really like this handle. And the price of these, for the size of these umbrellas, is actually really reasonable. Now, of course, at Aldi, I always think they have really good prices on most of their items. Seriously, $9.99 X large. Yes, those are a really good size. And right next to it, for $9.99, the holiday canvas bins. So these are nice. You have two choices. So it's the large or it's a set of two, the smaller two. So it's not all three for the price, but those are actually really nice, especially like for throws. Now these, I actually got these a couple of years ago, $9.99, 20 by 39. They're really soft and cushiony, but my cats seriously just tore them up. So we don't have them anymore, but they're really nice and cushiony, especially for the price. Right next to it is the children's soft rug. And those are a good size, 52 by 66 inches. You have 3 different designs to choose from, and $30, not a bad price at all. Now, we saw that plush faux fur area rug last week. They're still here for $50. They're super soft. I only questioned how to vacuum them up. Now, these got lowered, $5.19 from $7.99. And this is just like a huge scoop, especially like for leaves. So it's a set of 2. Not bad for, a little over $5. Now, of course, there's some holiday items, $8.99. This is 2 feet tall, the LED, the tabletop tree. You have 2 different options. And for $3.99, the nostalgic Christmas ornaments. And they actually light up as well. So those are really cute. I think I found my favorite right here, the little gingerbread man. How adorable. And for $3.99 and they light up, that's not a bad price for an ornament. Now right next to it for $3.99 is the LED novelty string lights. You have 5 different options, and so these are adorable. And I like these, little small places. They have a lot of options right here. I wonder how long they are. That was the only part I couldn't find exactly how long they are. We know there's 15 of them in there. And for $2.99, the wreath bow. So I'm kind of seeing how many options we have. I think I only see 3. But they're already ready to place on a wreath. And not a bad price. You can use those year after year. And for $9.99, the LED, the nostalgic, the Village House. So for $10, not a bad price. And these are a really good size. I'm trying to see if I can grab one here. Light it up. Oh, that has some good light to it. Sometimes some of these, when you light it up, it doesn't really light very well, but these, you have some really great options, especially for $10. And for $10, the adult and child apron. This is perfect, especially for baking together. Look how cute these are. And for $10, it's like $5 each. Some of these sets could get really expensive at other stores. $6.99, the snow globe candle. Oh, these are pretty. What a great idea. And then you have the wick right inside. But honestly, like when the candle burns down, you could still use this. Hide little treasures inside. And not a bad price at all. You have 3 different options. For $4.99, we have the fabric, the wire ribbon. That is always good to have on hand. For $5.99, the baking accessories. So these are really nice. I like the options here. I don't know if this is really part of this, but I use those. It's a 3-piece set. And right next to it is the measuring cups. Now these measuring cups are really nice. I'm thinking about grabbing a set because they're ceramic. And so they're dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, so a lot of pluses right here. And the adjustable rolling pin. Now this is very interesting. I've never seen a rolling pin like this one. And for $12.99, this is a cookie sheet with a cooling rack. So 2 for 1. Not a bad price. That's a good size. And right next to it, you have 2 different options for $9.99. It's a 3-piece cookie sheet set. And what I like about these, you know, you have 3 different sizes, but I like the handles on the side. You don't see that too often with the cookie sheets. So that is a plus. And right next to it, for $12.99, this is the Lazy Susan. And this is actually really pretty because you have the wood with the marble. So it has some good weight to it, but there's so many great uses for these on the tabletop. Anywhere you want to place this. And for $12.99, a 3-piece baking dish set. So these are really heavy because they are glass. But not a bad price for all 3 of them. And for $1.49, the mini utensils. I really love mini utensils, especially the tongs. I'm actually going to get some of those. I have a couple of them, but those are always so useful. But there's a lot of little pieces in here. These are great. Those will make really fun little gifts. But yeah, I'm going to grab this one. And for $4.99, the bakeware. Okay, pie molds, bakeware, or muffin cups. So this is the microwave bakeware. You have your silicone muffin cups and then the mini pie molds, set of 3. Oh, those are adorable. And for $3.99, the silicone bakeware, or the baking mat actually. Now I was looking on this, I was trying to find the size of it. But I must have missed it because I could not find it. You have the tea kettle. Oh, those are nice. You have 2 different options. Not bad for $12.99. And for $9.99, you have the stovetop espresso maker. Oh no, wait. Leggings. Okay, those are not leggings. So I'm not sure how much these are. My apologies. But those are always cool. It looks like you have 2 different options. Now, right next to it, the gooseneck electric kettle. $30 actually. Let's say $29.99, but those are nice. And for $9.99, oh, now this is not bad. I know these are actually a little pricey, but for Aldi, but even for any place else, whenever you find that double wall glass, they are a little bit of a higher price. So you get 4 of the espresso mugs. So of course they're a little bit smaller. And then you have 2 of the regular size, the coffee mugs. And each of those is $9.99. Not a bad price because those really do keep your coffee warm. And for $14.99, the French press. So you have 2 different options here. These are actually really nice. Now for $8.99, this is a 3-piece, the cooling rack. I have one of these. They always come in handy, especially when I'm baking a large amount of cookies. And for $30, the Awesome Pot. Now, what makes this pot awesome? It's lightweight. Oh, you could use this on any kind of stovetop. Oh, that's a plus. But not heavy at all. Sometimes those size, you would expect it to be a little bit heavy. Now, $4.99, the license mugs. They have a really good variety. So which one is your favorite? Not a bad price. They make some fun gifts. And for $50, this is the classic stand mixer. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the KitchenAid, a little different design. But those are always good to have on hand. And right next to it for $3.99, the silicone bakeware and mat. Well, I don't find the mat, but I do find these. And it looks like you have 2 different colors to choose from. At least that's what I see here at this store. The double wall glass pitcher. That is really interesting. I have never seen a pitcher like this. Very nice. Now, it's always great to check out their clearance. The patio umbrella cover. Honestly, I don't even think I saw this when it was new. It could have been a return, but $2.49. We're gonna check out some of the food. Ooh, these shortbread cookies look really good with dark chocolate. Yes. And this time of year, Aldi really has a really nice treats. Not a bad price. And another $2.49. Oh, check these out. Got a couple different options. And we see a lot of their holiday items coming in early. Now, the hot cocoa pumpkin spice and then the cappuccino pumpkin spice. These are the K-cups, 18 each. $2.09, the teas. So some of the fall items seems like it's coming a little bit later, but then we see some other holiday items coming in early. Now for $2.49, we have the cinnamon waffles or the pumpkin spice waffles. There's 10 of each. And for $2.89, the cheese stuffed breadsticks. Those sound really good. And for $14.39, it's an apple or a pumpkin pie. And those are really popular at Aldi. For $6.99, this is a tortilla top crusted flounder. That actually sounds really good. Or a coconut top crusted flounder. And for $3.99, yep, the eggnog is here. This is a vanilla spice eggnog. And that Shamrock Farms, I've tried a couple of their items. They're actually pretty good. And here's the regular eggnog for $5.19 at $1.99. This is the Party Wing Trio. I like that because you have 3 options in one package and not a bad price for those. So if you like to make, chicken wings, you have 3 different flavors right here. And for $10, this taco kit, this sounds really good. I actually would have grabbed this one. Up to 16 tacos. And all 3 of those, yum, absolutely. And I like that. It's all in one. So you can't decide which one. You get all 3 in one package. And for $10, that is such a great price. Here it's a tri-tip. So it was $6.49 a pound. So that one, yeah, $10.51. And for $3.49, the cookies. You have 2 different flavors to choose from. There's 12 in each package. And sometimes I like these because all you have to do is place them on a cookie sheet and just bake them up. And these are ready in 12 to 14 minutes. And for $2.99, these are new. So the cheese cubes. And these are perfect for like gatherings. You can put these on a nice grazing board. And so I like the options. I'm actually going to grab all 3. These all sound really good. And for $5.49, ooh, the Parmigiano. This looks really good. And not a bad price. Aldi really has great prices when it comes to cheeses. Like the Havarti cheese. You have 3 different ones to choose from. And I do like a good Havarti cheese. And $3.99 the blue cheese, one of my favorites as well. Sounds so good. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today, checking out all these great items. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.